Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you. 10 very practical home automation ideas that will not only make your life more convenient, but also add a touch of futuristic charm to your living space. If you're into smart home tech, this video is for you. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates on all things smart home. Let's get started. Idea 1. Smart lighting. First up, we have smart lighting. Imagine controlling the ambiance of your home with just a tap on your smartphone or a simple voice command. Smart bulbs and switches not only let you adjust the brightness and color of your lights, but also schedule them to match your daily routine. It's energy efficient and sets the mood just right. Idea 2. Smart thermostats. Next on the list is a smart thermostat. These devices learn your heating and cooling preferences, optimizing energy usage and saving you money on your utility bills. You can also control them remotely, ensuring your home is always at the perfect temperature when you arrive. Idea 3. Smart doorbells. Now, let's talk about smart doorbells. They come equipped with cameras and motion sensors, allowing you to see who's at your door from your smartphone. Some even have two-way communication, so you can talk to your visitors without even opening the door. It's a game changer for home security. Idea 4. Automated window blinds. Up next, automated window blinds. These can be scheduled to open and close at specific times, maximizing natural light and improving energy efficiency. You can also control them remotely, giving the impression that someone is home, even when you're away. Idea 5. Smart locks. Enhance your home security with smart locks. They allow you to lock and unlock your doors using your smartphone. Some models even offer features like temporary access codes for guests, ensuring you're always in control of who enters your home. Conclusion. And there you have it. 10 very practical home automation ideas to take your living space to the next level. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and ring that bell to stay updated. Until next time, stay smart and stay connected.